Today we are looking at the world's best gas cooktop. This is Franke's professional range of gas cooktops, and the great thing is they are made right here in Australia. So let's highlight some of the features of our gas cooktop range. Our gas cooktops perform at an ultra simmer 0.5 megajoules to a high intensity 22 megajoules. This is great as it ensures when your food hits your wok, it sizzles rather than stews. Looking at our high intensity, you'll also notice the cylindrical holes around the outside. The real advantage of this is giving you that solid finger flame effect that Franke Pro cooktops are famous for. The trivet system that we use is 40% larger than most others on the market, making sure you can have a generous sized pot or wok with no overhang. The cast iron trivets have a smooth finish and a durable enamel coating which allows for easy cleaning, also making them dishwasher safe. The knobs that we use are a solid laser finished stainless steel knob. The finishes that we use are a stainless steel 304 grade Scotch Brite finish, or black ceramic glass in most models. Not to mention the 5-year parts and labour warranty you receive with all Franke Pro gas products.